Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a high protein chicken Alfredo. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by cooking our protein pasta in salted water. So just cook it between 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure that you're mixing it constantly so like that it doesn't stick all together. After 8 minutes, drain the pasta and set it to the side. Once we have our pasta, we're going to season our chicken. So here I already have my chicken chopped into bite-sized pieces, and I'm just going to season it with salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. So just mix it all together. Make sure that it is nice and coated. Okay, and once we have that, we're going to set it to the side so we can make our sauce. Okay, to a blender cup, we're going to add 1.5 cups of Fairlife, 16 ounces of 4% milk fat cottage cheese, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 garlic clove, and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. We're going to be blending until we have a smooth sauce. Okay, and once we have that, we can take it back to the stove. Okay, to our pan, we're going to be adding a little bit of oil. Set it over medium-high heat and allow it to heat up. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to be cooking our chicken for 5 minutes. Make sure to layer it in a single layer. After 5 minutes, our chicken should be fully cooked. Of course, make sure that you check it. So now we're just going to remove it from the pan. Okay, now to the pan, you're going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, now add the broccoli and cook it for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, remove the broccoli from the pan. Okay, and here you're also going to reduce the heat to low. Just going to remove the burn bits. Now add 1 tablespoon of butter. Along with that, we're going to add our minced garlic and spinach. Now we're just going to give it about 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, we're going to add our sauce. Now just make sure that you're whisking as you're pouring. Okay, and here we're going to season our salt with some garlic powder, parsley, salt, and black pepper. I also like to add some crushed chili, but of course that's optional. Now we're just going to mix it and allow it to heat up. Okay, so after 5 minutes, our sauce should have thickened up. So now we can get ready to add our pasta. Just begin to mix it into the sauce. We're also going to add our broccoli and chicken. And we'll just mix it all together. Okay, and once we have mixed it all together, we can now get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy, so delicious. Under 30 minutes, you have this delicious meal. And of course, I am so ready. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. So creamy, so flavorful, so good. You won't even know. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make my super easy and delicious high protein chicken Alfredo. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.